Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, hope you all are doing absolutely fantastic. Welcome to another episode. So you decided that you want to go from this to this. Congratulations. Before we even start to do this, at first we need to understand a process called fat mobilization. It's a method that your body will start to burn fat from the highest blood flow point to the lowest blood flow point. A typical human being moves their arms more than 1,000 times a day. So you can assume that your highest blood flow point could be your arms and feet, and your lowest blood flow point could be your lower belly, your love handles, and the lower back. How exactly your body is going to mobilize that fat? Right, let me explain you. Your body will start losing fat starting from here, from your arms, coming all the way up to the shoulders, going above your upper pec, your mid chest to your lower pec, then coming down to your lower belly and to your love handles, again back to your lower back. So that's the process of the upper body fat mobilization. Now let's talk a little bit about the lower body. It's the same process, coming from your feet to your calves and to your quads, hamstrings, which is known as your thighs, and glutes, and again connecting back to the lower body. The entire process could take about few weeks up to 50 weeks, depending on that individual's lifestyle, their goal, and their metabolic rate. The more the fat percentage your body has got, the more time it's going to take. The reason more people fail on this to see their belly fat torched is because they even quit the process before it starts somewhere. During that time, their body fat would have reached somewhere up to here. Now, how could we tell our bodies to start this fat burning process? Rule number one is to go on a caloric deficit. What exactly is a caloric deficit? It's a way that you eat below your maintenance level to lose body weight. Again, 90% of people fail in their fat loss journey. The reason being, when you ask them to go on a caloric deficit, they drop that caloric percentage so low that your body will not be able to sustain. And what your body does, it's an amazing machine. I have told you this before. It's gonna save all those calories and turn into body fat. Congratulations, now you went from this to this. We always have to do the caloric deficit in the right way. Don't stress about it. I'll make another video explaining you step by step on the process and how exactly you could do it on the right way. Rule number two is to do your fasted cardio. There are hundreds of experts giving hundreds of opinions about this fasted cardio. But ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you something. Fasted cardio is the most effective way for you to tell your body to burn those fat reserves as energy. I'm not asking you for anything more. I'm just asking you to take a brisk walk, not less than 5,000 steps on an empty stomach, which will take about minimum 30 minutes of your time. Just put some music, enjoy, and go for a walk on an empty stomach or the time you wake up. That's it. Rule number three is to do your weight training and resistance training. The more blood flow into your abdominals, the more it is going to lose fat. That's the theory we spoke about. My favorites would be squats and deadlifts. The reason is they pump in more blood to your core muscles than 100 sit-ups could do. Besides, they are also going to strengthen up your whole body. Rule number four, having the patience and commitment. I told you earlier, most people fail when they reach this step. They do not have the patience to wait another 2 weeks or 3 weeks for the process to get here and to get there. You can check a little bit of progress by mirroring yourself, using your fingers to pinch on those areas. Don't get frustrated, don't get disappointed in case if there is a delay on the process. Your body is going to take a little bit more time than you expected. The more the fat percentage, the more weeks that body is going to take. But we need to stick to the process. Ladies and gentlemen, fitness is not a destination, it's a journey. You need to remember. Finally, the moments of truth. Your body loves to keep that fat more than you hate it. The idea is to identify your body fat and drop it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time. Let me see you on another amazing episode.